Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you guys on this amazing lecture on obviously relations and functions. Sorry, there was a technical issue, so I am obviously around 2 to 3 minutes late. Okay, so guys, obviously today we'll be discussing a lot of amazing problems on this types of functions. Lecture number 4 on this amazing topic of relations and functions. So, guys, obviously, before going forward, I would like to introduce myself. This is Abhinav Jha. I've got more than 4 years of teaching experience now, and guys, I have obviously mentored a lot of amazing students in the past, and they have done extremely well in the JEE Mains and Advanced, whichever they took up. And guys, also I hold the rank of All India 698 in GATE. Okay, so this is my credentials. I hope everyone knows me, and this is for the new students. Moreover, guys, you all can plan out the Unacademy subscription on this platform, which will be very beneficial for all of you students. So, guys, you can obviously attend the live classes, live interaction with the educator, live polls, leaderboard, test series, live doubt clearing sessions. Everything is going to be happening on that amazing platform. The best of the country's faculties are there. Hello, Papi Reddy. Hi, Lokesh. Hi, Rocky. Hello, everyone. Good evening to all of you. Also, guys, do not forget that you can just install this amazing app from the Play Store. And then, guys, obviously, you can click on the IITJ section in the plus section, and then you can click on get subscription. Hi, Hoodie, how are you? Also, guys, AJ Live is the code which you have to use for taking the plus subscription, which will be fetching you the maximum discount, which you can see over here. As soon as you use the plus course over here, you can use the code of AJ Live, and guys, that will give you the amazing discounts that 38.5 will become 34.6 and 56k will become 50.4 respectively. These are the plans for 1 and 2 years respectively, which is very affordable. Guys, hi Mansa, hello. I'm now a little bit fine. Okay, hopefully improving day by day. Hi Sindhuja. Okay. Also, guys, you have to fill in the code of AJ Live over here. As soon as you put up the code of AJ Live, you will be getting instant discount. And then you can proceed to pay using EMI option as well, which is the very cheapest option. I'm fine. How are you guys? Okay, great. Also, guys, you can definitely you can look into this Telegram link. You will get the updates of all the classes of mine, not only on Plus, also on YouTube and also on the app. Okay. I stayed Nirala Aspire. Okay, hoodie. Also, guys, AJ Live code. After using this code, you can obviously come up the platform of Plus, where you will be getting all these sessions in detail. Also, guys, 7 p.m. is the timing of my special classes. You can attend that, and I'll be coming up with many more sessions on quizzes very soon, and I'll be giving you the intimation of that. Also, guys, two courses have been launched. Okay, at a obviously, guys, two plus courses are running currently. One at 8:30 p.m. And obviously, guys, this is one is differential calculus and one is the graph sets relations and functions. Okay, so all of you can join that, and guys, it will be amazing experience. So without wasting any time, guys, let's begin this amazing topic on problems of types of functions. So guys, this is the first question on the board. Let's see how many of you can crack this. Let's see the first question, guys. Come on, guys. Let's see how many of you can crack this one. Very easy question. So we have been given f of x is going from minus infinity to infinity to 0 to 1. This is a function going like that. F of x is given as 1 upon x square plus 1. So we have to find out whether the function is 1 1 or on 2, or it is 1 1 but not on 2 but not 1 1. Bijective means 1 and on 2, neither 1 1 nor on 2. Come on, guys, quickly let's do this problem. Okay, come on. Let's see how many of you can get this one. Easy question, guys. I've already discussed you the methods of how to get the 1 1 and on 2 functions. Come on. So guys, this is an easy problem. I think so everyone would have got it. So let's see. Operator is saying C, it's bijective. See guys, it's obviously very easily we can predict whether it is 1 1 or not. Guys, is it an even function or an odd function? Anyone, any idea? I think so you should be knowing. Let's suppose if I put x as f of minus 1, what will be that? That'll be what? 1 upon minus 1 square plus 1, which is what? 1 by 2. And what about f of 1? That will also be what? 1 upon 1 square plus 1, which is also 1 by 2. So guys, we can simply see that f of minus 1 is coming as same as f of 1, right? Negative x will give you same as output as positive x. So that's the reason why guys, it's a many one for sure. Isn't it everyone? It's a many one, right? I had told you even functions are what? Many one always. Isn't it, Papi Reddy? Or else you can check it using the x1, x2 problem also. If you look at f of x1 equals to f of x2, if you equate, how it's 1 1? It's many one, na? F of minus 1 is coming same as f of 1. So it's obviously it's many one. So guys, what will happen if you just look at this one? We will get 1 by x1 square equals to 1 by x2 square. Okay, x2 square. So let's equate it. What will get? We will get cross multiply. You will get what? X2 square plus 1 is equals to x1 square plus 1, right? 1 1 will cancel. We'll get x1 square minus x2 square equals to 0. You will get x1 plus x2 into x1 minus x2 equals to 0. This is mathematically how you will do. Logically, everyone would have understood or not? Yes or no? So we'll get either x1 plus x2 is 0, or we will get x1 is equals to x2, right? So we got x1 equals to minus x2, or we got x1 equals to x2. Same thing, right? So guys, we only wanted this answer. If only this answer would have come, we would have told it is 1 1. But this extra answer is also coming, so we'll say it's many one. Clear, everyone? And it's looking very clear that if you put x as minus 2, that will give the same output as f of f of 2, right? Okay, so that is many one for sure. Now let's check whether it is onto or not. So guys, how to get the onto? For onto, you all know guys, for a function to be onto, you have to get domain range barabar, range should be equal to codomain, right? Range should be equal to codomain. So range has to come as 0 to 1, right? So let's see whether we can get the range as 0 to 1. So guys, let's get the range of the function. Very easily we can get the range. What is it guys? Y up is equals to 1 upon x square plus 1. You have that y method, but I will not suggest that. I will suggest a very easy method guys. We all know that x square is greater than 0. Okay. And guys, we can add 1 both sides, right? So what we'll get from here? X square plus 1 will be more than 1. Now guys, you have to imagine if a positive number is more than 1, right? X square plus 1 is more than 1. So what about its reciprocal guys? What about its reciprocal? Take any number like 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. Its reciprocal will be always between what? 0 and 1, isn't it everyone? It can never achieve 0 though. Can it ever be at 0? Its reciprocal, no. Okay, never it can be 0. So guys, it obviously guys, we got y is coming as between 0 and 1. Implies guys our range is coming as nothing but open. One second, yeah, here you have to write here. Yeah, I just changed the inequality. So guys, 1 second, let me write it over here. So guys, what are we getting here? We are getting that this is always less than or equal to 1, but greater than 0, 0, and less than or equal to 1. So range is coming as, my dear friends, open 0 to closed 1, which is equal to the codomain. Therefore guys, what will happen? We will say it is onto. Onto it is there, but it is not 1 1. So it is many one and onto. So we can say onto but not 1 1. So option B has to be the correct one. Clear everyone? Understood? Sindhuja, Manasa, Papi Reddy, Lokesh, everyone watching got it? Easy question, right? These are the questions which are fairly easy. We have to understand the logic. That's it. Okay, next. It's on to. Very good. Great. So that's what you have to assume that. Hai na? I told you only x1 should come as x2. That's it. Otherwise, it won't be. Okay, no issues, no issues. Come on, guys, try this one. F of x plus f of mod x, 4 power mod x, from all real to all real. So this is the domain, obviously, the domain of the function. This is the domain called, this is the domain, and the guys, always the second set is called the codomain. Okay, so we have to calculate the range. If range comes as r, then it will be what? Onto. And for many one guys, at every y, you need a unique x. Okay, you can't have more than two x's giving you the same answer. So guys, I have told you many methods, right? I've told you how to check the function is 1 1. So check check for 1 1 is very easy, and I've told you many methods. Check for 1 1 is what? First of all, mathematical. Okay, mathematical way is what? F of x1 equals to f of x2, right? That is one method. Okay, here it would be difficult for you guys, to get it. Okay. Second is what I told you, horizontal line test. So for that you need to able to draw the graph. Okay, this might look pretty manageable, right? Horizontal line test might be manageable here. And then when we have what? Increasing or decreasing, right? It should be increasing or decreasing, so we should differentiate. That means f dash of x should be either greater than 0 or less than 0 throughout. So this third one also, differentiation is also a little bit tricky because we have mod x involved. So I would suggest you guys to go for this one, horizontal line test. So that means you can draw the graph. I think so drawing the graph of this function is not that difficult. You can assume two cases. One is x greater than 0, and you can assume one case x less than 0. Right? So we've already known, I've given you guys three conditions. This is also looking impractical right now. This is also looking impractical right now. Okay, definitely you can do it by those methods as well, but it would be really taxing for you, right? The best method is like, it's looking like horizontal line test. Let's see how we can draw the graph of this very function. So out here we have a function called f of x is equals to 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power mod x. So what I'm saying, let's get two cases. One is x more than 0, one is x less than 0. Yeah? Let's see Lokesh, we will get it very easily. So guys, let's suppose x is greater than 0. We all know that mod x is what? Equal to x, and for this case mod x will become minus x. So what is my f of x coming out as, everyone? For this case my f of x is coming as 4 power x plus 4 power x, right? So can I say this 2 times of 4 power x? Absolutely fantastic. Okay, now guys, what about this one? This one will give you what? F of x is equals to 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power minus x. This is for x less than 0, and this is for x greater than 0. That's it. That is very easy to understand. Now guys, let's suppose how to draw the graph. Now that's the major trick. So guys, please concentrate. I'm drawing the graph of this complicated function. Okay, so guys, let's draw the graph for RHS. That is very easy. When you put x as 0, your y will be 2 now, 4 power 0. And I'm drawing the right hand side part. Okay, let's name this color. Okay, let's make it orange color. Okay, so orange color is right hand side part. So guys, when you put x is equals to 0, what we will get? Y will be what? 2. So it will be like this. Okay, now guys, as it is an exponential function, it will go on increasing, right? Who will stop this guy? As you increase your x, as x increases, your y will increase exponentially, right? Absolutely, it will go on like this, right? It's an exponential function, obviously. Yes. Okay, now guys, let's draw the graph of the left hand side part. So I'm drawing that with a green color. Okay, Now guys, if you apply this AMGM, this guy is also more than 2, right? है So guys, when you put x equals to 0 here, what is your y? Y will be 1 plus 1, that will be 2 also. Okay, so that point, this graph is also starting from here itself. And then guys, if you look at this, if you apply AMGM, 4 power x plus 4 power minus x by 2 will always be greater than what? Root of AB. 4 power x into 4 power minus x, that means this 4 power x plus 4 power minus x will always be more than 2. Isn't it guys? AMGM I had applied. Okay, so this graph is also actually like this only. It is also an exponential graph. Okay, but it is always more than 2. It is also increasing only. Okay, I'm not sure the curves are same. Okay, don't think that the curves are same. It is slightly different, but guys, both are increasing or not? Tell me. Hmm. Yes, absolutely yes. So guys, because if you put x as infinity, what will happen? 4 power infinity will be infinity, 4 power minus infinity will tend to 0. But obviously guys, this will attain infinity or not? Yes. So guys, the thing is, this is the graph. So guys, you can draw horizontal line test. Yes. So guys, at 1x, it is cutting how many times? 2 times, right? So guys, it is obviously a many one function. Clear or not? How easily I have derived it? Guys, you have to be very quick with the graphs now. So guys, what is it? It's actually a many one function. Because at x is because understood Sindhuja, Mansa, guys, Papi Reddy, Lokesh, because at this y we have 2x satisfying, right? So that's why guys it is many one function. Okay, now guys, what about the range? The range guys, we can all see from the graph itself. So guys, both of them are satisfying, right? More than 2. So all of you can see from here guys, the range of the function is what? 2 to infinity. Range of f of x is what? Closed to infinity, right? It is never less than 2. Is it ever less than 2? No, it can never become less than 2. Isn't it, guys? It can never come less than 2, but the codomain is R. So, guys, this is not equal to R. So, graph means it will give you one arrow, 2 shots, right? So, here you are obviously, guys, able to do also 1 and also you can check onto very clearly. This is not equal to the real number system. So, that's the reason why, guys, implies it is into, not onto. Got it? Simple as we get it. So guys, it's many one and into is the answer. Great. Understood. Very good question, right? That was a good question. Okay. So guys, let's discuss some a number of functions type of problems, and then we'll come back with some again some amazing problems on this. So let's look into first some questions like this, which are very popular nowadays in the exams. So this is the question, guys. Number of one functions that can be defined from A to B is this. So the cardinal number of B they are asking. What will be the cardinal number of B? So guys, if I'm not sure, I have told you the formula, right? What is the number of one functions formula? Number of one functions is nothing but is NPM, right? NPM, है where N is nothing but cardinal number of B, है and M is the nothing but cardinal number of set A. So we want this one. This is the formula, guys. So we want to see what is the answer. Come on, guys. Now I have obviously solved your 90% of the problem. You guys can do it quickly. Come on. Come on, everyone. Guys, this is a very important topic. Please do not miss out on this. Next class, we will be starting composition of functions, which is going to be the foundation of inverse. So please do not miss out on these lectures, guys. Very, very important thing which we are discussing. It is obviously, guys, mixed up with permutation and combinations, and I've already discussed the formulas, derivation, and everything. So what will happen here? Tell me. So guys, NPM, M is given already. M is 4. So guys, NP4 is 5040. So what should be the value? Guys, can it be 7? No. Last digit is coming 0, na? Very good, Sindhuja. Last digit is coming as 0. So can it be what? 7, 8, 9? Not at all, not at all, not at all. It should be 10 only, right? Easy. 10p4 if you solve, you will get what? I think so 5040 only, na? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. By into 3 into 2 into solve, I think so you'll get 5040. What we got. Okay, clear. Understood? Easy. And you can easily see that last digit is 0. It can never be possible for these cases, but it will be only possible when it is 10. Next question. Okay. If 1, 2, 1, 8, 11, 14, 25, then the conditions to define a surjection from A to B. Come on, guys. I've told you these all cases and we've discussed this in detail. To be frank. Everyone watching, please hit a like, guys. That'll be very encouraging for our team who are working hard day in, day out for you guys. So define a surjection. I've already told you guys. Surjection means onto, and injection means 1, 1. Right? Easy case. Lokesh. No. See, guys, remember what I told you. See, we have 1, 8, 11, 14, 25. Okay. Come on, guys. What you guys are saying? Forgot everything. I discussed this last time. See, guys, if I have like this, set A and set B. Yeah, Papi ready. Now you're correct. Ah. See, guys, if yes, now Lokesh, your answer is correct. See, guys, if I have this thing right here, so what will happen is, let's suppose if I put here 1, 8, 11, 14, 25. Okay. So, guys, let's suppose if you have 6 elements. Let's suppose if I've got, let's suppose A, B, C, F. Can it ever be on 2? Tell me. Can it ever be on 2? No. Guys, if you match 1 with 1 also, so also there will be one guy which will be left. Isn't it? Yes. Okay. And if you are matching one guy with 2, so then it is like gone case. Then obviously you will be left with 2 guys in this set. Onto means everyone should be mapped, right? Every element in the Y set should be mapped. It should have a partner. Are you getting my point? So guys, this is only going to possible when it will be possible when you have cardinal number of B. Cardinal number of B has to be less than or equal to cardinal number of A, right? And if here we have lesser number of elements, yes, then only it is possible. What is the cardinal number of A? That is already given as 5. So cardinal number of B should be less than or equal to 5. Understood, everyone? Yes, that's correct. Great. Okay, everyone. Chalo. Sindhuja, Mansa, are you there? Are you understanding? Okay, so that's the reason, that's the answer. Next one. Number of functions. L is the number of functions, M is the number of 1 functions. Come on. Let's see how many of you can get this one correct. Come on. So guys, number of functions I've already told you. है ना? If we have x1, x2, x3, so on till xn, and here we have, let's suppose y1, y2, y3, so on till ym. I told you I had derived this number of functions. Yes. What is the formula? Everyone has m options, right? M into m into m into so on till m. How many times? N times. That was the formula, m to the power n. Remember? Very good. And number of 1 functions will be what? It will be what? 3p3. This will be 3 factorial only. That is 6. Isn't it, guys? Just now we discussed it. So m is the number of 1 functions. The number of 1 functions is 6, and number of functions is how much? 3 power 3. So L is what? 3 to the power 3, 27, and m is 6. So obviously, guys, option C is matching. Such an easy. Great. Okay, everyone. Understood, guys? Sindhuja, Manisa, everyone watching? Understood? Great. C is the correct answer. Okay? So L is 27 and M is 6. Next. Okay, let's do one more like this and then we'll move ahead with 1, 1 and 1, 2 type of functions. The number of constant functions possible from R to B. Okay, R to B. R means real number set. The first set is real number set. Okay. Here we have obviously infinite elements, right? x1, x2, x3 until x infinity. Okay. Here we have obviously fixed set that is going from 2 to 24. 2, 4, 6, 24. We want the number of constant functions. Great. Very good, Lokesh. Come on, guys. These are the most amazing problems you will get on this chapter. I've mixed up with PNC, mixed up with these, and guys, these are very logical but very, very important questions which come in JEE every year. Very good, Papi Reddy. Great. So, guys, constant function means what? All the x must be mapped with one particular y, right? Let's suppose first case can be what? Everyone is mapped with 2. First case, one function like that it will be, and then it can be what? Everyone is mapped with 4. That can be one case when everyone is mapped with 4, right? Second case. Then one case can be what? Everyone is mapped with what? 6. Similarly, then everyone is mapped with 8. Then similarly, then everyone is mapped with this. So guys, that's the reason why number of constant functions will be equal to nothing but cardinal number of second set, right? Yes. So how many elements do we have in the second set? 12. 12 are there. Okay. Chalo. Next. Yes, this is a good one. Let's see how many of you can get this one correct. Come on, everyone. So A and B are given, then which of the following function from A to B is bijective? Come on. Let's see how many of you can do it. Lokesh is saying A. What about others? Come on. Copyright is saying B. So let's see one by one. So guys, we have to go from -1 to 1 till -1 to 1. Understood this case? Okay. So guys, y is equals to x by 2. You only tell me x by 2 it is. Okay. So guys, obviously the values of x are going from -1 to 1. Okay. What about the range? If x is between 1 and -1, what about x by 2? Won't it be between -half to half? Guys, the range here in this case will be what? What will be the range? -half to half. It will be only going from -half to half. Range is equals to -half to half, which is not equal to -1 to 1, which is the codomain. Therefore, guys, it is into. Okay, it's 1 1, no doubt. If you draw horizontal lines, it will cut only once. It is into and 1 1, you can say. But it's not bijective, right? So this is gone. The first option is wrong. Secondly, guys, if you look at this second one, that's more easier. How can you say a second one? Guys, y is equals to mod x. The graph itself is like this. The range will be what? The range is what? Positive. Isn't it, guys? Isn't range positive? X is going from -1 to 1. So guys, y will also be going from where? The range here in this case will be what? 0 to 1. Isn't it? It can't be negative. It will be what? 0 to 1. That's it. Moreover, it is into. So it is into. It is not equal to -1 to 1, and it is also many 1, because it will cut twice. F of half will be same as f of -half. So actually, this is what? This is many 1 and into. Right. That's correct, Papirati. Now, let's take a look at x square. That is again an easy one. Now you guys are getting it. Y equals to x square. So guys, the graph will be obviously like this. Whole square it is. X is going from -1 to 1. So again, your square will be what? The range will be what? 0 to 1, not equal to -1 to 1. So again, it is not bijective. Moreover, it is an many 1 function, isn't it? Yes. It's many 1 and it's what? Into. Now, sine pi by 2x. Now, that's a very good question. Sine pi by 2x. So, guys, obviously, sine function y is equals to sine pi x by 2. Okay. So, domain is what? -1 to 1. And obviously, codomain is also -1 to 1. Let's draw the graph. So, guys, when you draw the graph, when you put x as 1, it will be 1. And when you draw x as -1, it will be -1, isn't it? So guys, range and domain both are what? -1 to 1 only, isn't it? Going from -1 to 1. And range is also from where? -1 to 1. That's the reason why, guys, what you will get? Range equals to codomain. Range equals to codomain. Moreover, implies it's onto. Moreover, it is 1 1. It will cut only once. And it is 1 1. So implies it is bijective. Clear guys, easy question it was, wasn't that difficult. Okay, chalo, next. This is a good one. Let's see how many of you can crack this one. So it's going from real number to complex number set. F of x is equals to e power 2ix. I'll recommend you to write down e power I into 2x. Okay, I hope you guys know this formula. E power I theta equals to cos theta plus I sin theta. Right? Euler rule, polar rule. I guess you guys know that. Where C denotes the set of all complex numbers. Let's see how many of you can do this. Come on, guys. Let's see. Write out. Come on. Think about it. Anyone? You don't know complex numbers? A basic idea you should know. That's it. E power I theta equals to cos theta plus I sin theta. That's it. Nothing else. You guys know this, then it is more than sufficient. And I've given you, that's it. That is what we have to remember. See guys, cos theta plus I sin theta. So I'll show you this one. So here this is a very good question, guys. It is very good, nicely framed question. So we have, let's suppose, e power I 2x. So this thing can be written as, you know what? It can be written as cos 2x plus I sin 2x. Can I write it like this just by using it? Hello Aditya. Yeah. So can I write e power I 2x as cos 2x plus I sin 2x? Just by using this formula, e power I theta. Hai na? Okay. So guys, you also know that. Tell me guys, whether this will be 1 1 or many 1. Because this f of x will have same value for x, and it will be what? Same value for what? Cos. If I put 2 times of x plus pi, hai na? Plus I sin 2 times of x plus pi. It's a periodic function or not? Yes or no guys? Hai na? It will repeat. Sin x and cos x values will repeat 2 times of x plus pi. Yes or no? So for x and x plus y, it will be same output, isn't it? Because that will be what, guys? We'll get cos 2 pi plus 2x plus I sin 2 pi plus 2x. Yes or no, everyone? Okay. So ultimately, we'll get this as cos 2x plus I sin 2x only, na? Are you getting my point, everyone? Understood this? So I think so. Papi Reddy and Lokesh, all of you would have understood, right? Hai na? Like if you put x as, let's suppose, 30 degrees, that will be giving you same again and again. It will repeat. No, cos theta repeats its values or not. These are periodic functions. So isn't it many one? Implies it's many one. I've told you periodic functions are repeating the values. That's why it is what? Many one. Okay. So it is many one, right? Because at many x we'll get the same value. Okay. Now let's check onto. Now onto. So guys, onto is very interesting. So onto means when it can be onto, when guys range is equal to codomain, isn't it? That means guys e power I 2x should actually give us all the complex numbers. It should give what? All complex numbers, है ना? In the argand plane. This is called as argand plane, guys. Okay, but obviously, guys, this is obviously giving us, it's a point cos 2x comma sine 2x, isn't it? Yes or no, guys? Yes. है ना? And this angle is 2x. So guys, its distance from the center is how much? 1. How much is the distance from the center? Can you tell me? From the origin? 1. It's only a complex number. It's actually a complex number which is having an angle of what? 2x. So guys, this just, it is just some type of complex number. It is not covering everything, is it? No. It is e power I 2x is a complex number of unit modulus, isn't it? Unit modulus. Do you know to calculate modulus at least? And how do you calculate the modulus? This is nothing but cos 2x plus I sine 2x, है ना? How do you calculate the modulus? Everyone should know that x square plus y square, right? So that will be what? Cos square 2x plus sine square 2x. Now that will give you what? 1 only. But how many types of complex number exist which have many type of modulus? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it covering all? No, it's not covering all. Okay, so which is what? A subset. Okay, which is a subset of C, the whole complex number set. So guys, it's neither 1 1 nor onto also, right? So we'll say that range not equal to codomain. Did everyone get the point? Everyone get the point? Amazing question. We'll say range not equal to codomain implies it is into. Understood probability this much? I think this much you can understand very easily. Okay. So guys, this is obviously not covering all kinds of complex numbers. So that's the reason why it is an into function. Okay. Clear? It's only covering the complex number which have unit modulus. That's it. Okay. That is it. So correct answer is neither 1 1 nor on 2. Chalo, next. Let's move ahead with the next question. Lokesh, understood? So it was just not using many concepts. It was using just a very basic concept of complex number. Chalo. So function n into z. Okay. So we have obviously the set n is natural number set and z is integer set. So guys, we have to find out this function is 1 1 or on 2. So everyone watching, guys, please hit a like for your support. Okay, that will be great initiative from your side, and we are obviously waiting for you guys for your support so that we can extremely shift this thing to a different level. Guys, definitely we need your support in that. Come on. A function n to z defined by this. Tell me, guys. Check na, putting one by one. That's it. Put n equals to 1. Lokesh is saying C. That's great. Let's put n equal to 1. What are we getting? N is odd. It will be following in this category. Can I say, guys, our output will be what? In this case, 0. 1 minus 1, 0 we'll get. Okay. Put n equals to 2. We have to go here. Even. We are getting what? Minus 1. Right? Minus 2 by 2. Minus 1 we will get. Okay. Then put n equals to 3. Which case? This one. Can I say we will get n equals to 3 minus 1 by 2, 2. 2 by 2, 1. Right? Then we'll put n equals to 4. You have to go here. You'll get minus 2. Then what we are getting, guys, when you put n equals to 5, you have to go there. We'll get what output as 2. Then n equals to 6, you have to go there. You'll get minus 3. Then n equals to 7, you will get 3. Right? Then n equals to 8, you will get what? Minus 4. Guys, are we able to cover everything? All the integers are we covering? Let's see. We're covering 0, 1, 2, 3. Positive covered, negative minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Everything covered, guys. As you go on, everything is getting covered or not? Yes. Everything is getting covered. Are you getting my point? So, guys, obviously, your range is coming as what? Range is nothing but Z, which is nothing but codomain. Isn't it, everyone? Very good, Lokesh. Isn't it, everyone? Papi Reddy, are you getting the point? Range is nothing but coming as Z, which is nothing but the codomain. We are able to cover everything. And guys, like every input is having a unique output, right? Like, can you get 2 from any other input? Never. You will never get 2 from any other input. So it's obviously 1 1 at the same time, right? It's 1 1 also. It's a 1 1 function. So it is, guys, obviously every output has a unique input here. Nothing, no other way we can get the output from any other input. No. So guys, every output has unique input, isn't it? Implies it's 1 1. And it was already, we had range equals to codomain, so it was already on to. Is on to also. So 1 1 on to is the answer. Clear? Such a great question, right? These are the questions, guys, which will improve our logic to a lot of amazing concepts, right? Done. Next, let's move ahead. Okay. Let's see how many of you can do this one. So we are going from r minus n to r, the function defined by this. What is probability of correct answer? I didn't get your question, Hoodie. Probability of correct answer means? We are not studying probability. It will depend on you, right? You know the answer, it is 1. If you don't know the answer, it will be 1 by 4. If you don't know the answer, you have to tick 1. That's 1 by 4 of getting the probability. And if you know the answer, it's a sure event. So you will have to, that will be 1 then. So then you will study in Bayes theorem. So there are 2 cases. One case is you know the answer. Second case is you might not know the answer. Okay, so the answer you will get, you know what? You'll be getting it correct from, let's suppose you misclicked it. So it is, there are 2 cases. Let's suppose you don't know. So then it will be what? 1 by 4, okay, into half divided by 1 by half into 1 plus 1 by 4 into 1. That will be the probability. 1 second. Yes, 1 into 1 by 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. This will be the probability. How much are we getting? 1 by 4 divided by 5 by 4, coming as 1 by 5. This is Bayes theorem which I used. Chalo. Okay, so we've got few answers here. 1 on 2. On 2 also few are saying. Lokesh is saying on 2. Okay. This is a great question, guys. Okay, let's see how do we do it. See, 1 check करने का one easy method is to that first method, right? That will work. F of x1 equates, let's equate it to f of x2. है ना? So let's check it. We'll get what? x1 minus m upon x1 minus n, right? Equals to x2 minus m divided by x2 minus n. Now let's cross multiply. As soon as I cross multiply, I'll get x1 x2 minus x2 m minus nx1 plus mn. Now when I cross multiply, I'm getting what? x1 x2 minus mx1, and then guys minus nx2 plus mn. So what's happening here, guys? So we are getting x1 x2 cancel, mn gone. So when I bring it this side thing, so what am I getting? I am getting m into x1 minus x2 plus n into, or you can say minus n into x1 minus x2, right everyone? Equals to 0. So guys, if you factorize it, you will get x1 minus x2 into m minus n equal to 0, right? So what are we getting from here is, we are getting x1 equals to x2 or m equals to n, right? We got two answers. How many we got? We got two answers. So ideally it should be many one, but they have given in the question that m is not equal to n. They have given. Understood? They have given m is not equal to n, right? So guys, that's why we will cut this case. This is not possible. So only one answer. Now that's correct. Agar if they would have given this thing, so then we would have sold that one. Okay, very good. Hi. No, that is not today. That is tomorrow, Nani. So please come tomorrow 8:30 p.m. That will be the mega quiz then. Okay. So guys, this is what we have now. Let's check how to check it on 2 and in 2. So what we will do? So guys, we have x minus m upon x minus n. We will equate it to y. What will happen is x minus m equals to yx minus ny, right? So what is my y coming out as, x coming as? Let's see. So here if I bring it this side, what am I getting? So guys, can I get my x in terms of y? Can I? Okay, so I'm just giving you a very basic procedure. Okay, so guys, as we know that y belongs to r, right? We can get everything. If let's suppose let's check whether we can do that. Okay, we want to see that whether we can get everything out or not. So guys, here obviously I'll try to get the value of x. I am getting x minus yx is equals to m minus ny, right? M minus ny. So what am I getting? X is equals to m minus ny upon 1 minus y. Is that clear? Yes, this is coming as my x. So yes, Lokesh, it will be uploaded very soon. Okay, we are planning that to give you very soon the all the PDFs of all the classes. You will be getting it very soon. Okay, guys. So this is what we have. Can my y be one? Can my y be one? No, my y can't be one. Understood? And that's the reason why, guys, range is all real except one, which is not equal to r. Therefore, implies it is into. Understood, guys? Amazing question, right? Implies it is into. Got it? Everyone clear? Are we ready? Okay, great. Understood? Lokesh, right? And you can check also, guys, if you put y equal to 1, let's suppose if you put this value x minus m upon x minus n as 1, what will happen? X minus m equals to minus n. X cancels, we'll get m equal to n, which is not possible. That's why your range will not have 1. Understood? So that's why, guys, range is all real except 1, and your that is not equal to codomain. So obviously, guys, it is first of all it was 1 1, but it is into, right? So 1 1 and into function. Great. Okay. Hello, guys. Next one. This is a good one. Let's see how many of you can do this. Understood how you will prove it in your boards? Also, you have to understand. You have to write it like that. If you write it a very random way, they will cut your marks. You have to write it like this, just how I have shown. Okay, very important that also. So beware of that. X cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 5. This function is 1 1 on 2. So guys, let's see how you can proceed. I've told you guys, for checking 1 1, we have 3 methods. First method is, okay, great. Acha. F of x1 equals f of x2. Okay, that might be really taxing here. Okay, because this is cubic involved. So don't go for this one. Second is, you already have one more method I have told you. What is that? That is graph. Okay, and graph means horizontal line test. So this also, it will be difficult for you guys to plot the graph, isn't it? Cubic here, you have to factorize, get the root, then plot it. Might be a little bit difficult. Third one is increasing or decreasing. Okay, that is what you have to obviously check the differentiation. F dash of x should be totally greater than 0 or less than 0. It should be monotonically increasing or decreasing. Okay, I'm having tea. Okay, chalo. Come on, guys, so tell me. Okay, so this is just, so for CBSE guys, we'll have it in this year. So let's see how to do it. So guys, shall I check the differentiation? That is the best part, right? I think so. The differentiation looks best. And now let's try to prove it monotonically increasing or decreasing. If it is not, then it will be many one. If it is monotonically increasing or decreasing, it will be on 2. So let's write down the function. So what is the function, guys, here? F of x. F of x is x cube minus 3x square. Okay. And plus 6x minus 5. Plus 6x minus 5, right? Okay. Now, guys, let's differentiate it. So if I differentiate it, f dash of x, what is it coming out to be? Tell me. What is it coming out as? F dash of x. Can I say 3x square minus 6x plus 6, right? That will be my f dash of x. If I take the 3 common, what am I getting? I'm getting x square minus 2x plus 2. Yes? Okay. So guys, here we are getting what? X. Can I say, guys, x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 1? Absolutely. So ये कितना आ गया, guys? We are getting x minus 1 का whole square plus 1. Great. So guys, can I say this will be always more than 0? No matter what. In fact, it will be always more than or equal to 3. Right? When your x is 1, it will be the minimum. It's a whole square. So guys, definitely your f dash of x is throughout greater than 0. That means the graph will be like this. So let me draw in the next page. That will be very wonderful. Let's see. So guys, actually this graph is coming as monotonically increasing curve. Okay, the graph is like this. Okay, let me draw with a different. So guys, the graph is increasing. If the graph is increasing, wherever you draw the tangent, it is coming as greater than 0, right? That means guys, if you, it will definitely pass the horizontal line test or not, yes or no? What is the benefit of being an increasing curve? If you draw a horizontal line, it will cut only once, right? It will cut only once, right? So that means it is 1 1. Everyone understood? Can I say the function is 1 1? Yes, implies it is 1 1. It's 1 1. Everyone agrees. Papi Reddy, Pudi. Okay. Got it? Okay. Now I would like to ask you guys. Tell me whether this will be on to or not. How you will justify your statement. Very interesting way. I'll just write that statement. You will just fall in love with that statement. So guys, you have to understand why and how you have to write this function is on to or not. Tell me, how can we prove whether it is on to or not on real number set? How can we prove it? Anyone, any idea? How can we prove it on to? Anyone, any idea? No? Okay, so guys, see here, try to understand. What do you think is f max? What do you think is f max? Maximum value of the function. What is the maximum value of the function? Maximum will be at x equals to infinity. Obviously, that will be infinity. That will tend to infinity. No doubt. Right? Okay. It's a cubic function. It will be maximum will be infinity. Acha, what is f min then? That will be what? When this x is equal to tending to infinity. And f min will be what? When x is tending to minus infinity, right? So we've got f max and f min. Okay. So f max you've got, f min you've got. So you've got minus infinity to plus infinity. But that does not mean the range is minus infinity to infinity. Is it? Does not mean that. Let's suppose if a value is, let's suppose f max is, let's suppose 2 and f min is, let's suppose minus 2. Can I say that it is obviously ranging from minus 2 to 2? No. In between some values might miss. So still we cannot say it is on to. You cannot say range is minus infinity to infinity because maybe inside some values might be missing. But how to counter that? That's the trick. How to counter that? So guys, that's what I'm saying. Just mark my words. The statement which I'm giving is $1,000,000 worth. So please understand. So guys, what I will write is the function f of x is continuous, isn't it? Is a cubic or a polynomial ever breaking anywhere? No. It's a continuous function. Will it break anywhere? It's a continuous function, yes or no? Also guys, maximum value is what? Infinity. It's a continuous function. That is the major important. Star mark this statement. So f, this maximum is infinity and minimum is what? Minus infinity. Will we get each and every value? Will we get each and every value now on the curve, on the graph? Tell me. Will we get each and every graph value on this? Take the shadow, 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 take the shadow. Yes. We will get, as it is a continuous function, we will get that, okay, everything has been attained. That's the reason why, guys, implies your range is nothing but equal to minus infinity to infinity. Understood? That's how you can say that. How? Because the function is continuous. Now you might think, sir, maybe give me an example when plus infinity is the maximum value, minus infinity is the least value, but still it is not, range is not that. Let's see a graph like this. Let's suppose, guys, a graph, somewhat graph is like this. Let's suppose the graph came like this. This is going on and on and on till minus infinity here. Okay, and here also it is going on and on and on. So this is, guys, if you look at the graph, maximum value is what? Max is infinity. F min is minus infinity. But can you say range is minus infinity to plus infinity? No, you can't. Why? Because in between these values are missing. Understood? Range cannot be this. Range has needs everything. Are you getting my point? So this will be a contrary case to the last one. Understood, guys? So it should be a continuous. As it broke in between, it missed up some values. That's the reason why, guys, it is a continuous function. As it is a cubic, it's a continuous function. And that's the reason why, guys, the range will be minus infinity to plus infinity. So that's the reason why, guys, we'll say it's an onto function as well, because range is also R. So range is R, range equals codomain implies onto. Understood how to check it? Check the maximum value, check the least value. Okay, okay, if it is infinity and it is minus infinity, then, guys, if it is a continuous function, it will be onto. Fine. So, guys, we proved it. It's a 1 1 and onto both. Got it? Okay, guys, chalo. So that was that's it for today, guys. Okay, please take a look at this question. This is an amazing question. Please do this one as a homework and comment on this video. Amazing question, guys, related with matrices and determinants. Okay, that's an amazing question, guys. So please take care of this and solve this and comment on this amazing video. Okay, please comment. I'll be obviously answering your doubts. Fine, take a note of this, and this is wonderful question, guys. Try it out and you'll just fall in love with this question. One of the best questions framed in this chapter. Okay, guys. Okay, so that's it for today, everyone. Please install this amazing app of Unacademy. Do not forget to do that. And, guys, definitely you can obviously click on the ITJ section. In that, click on plus, and then, guys, you can go ahead and get the subscription. And, guys, AJ Live is the code. You have to use the code for obviously plus subscription. And, guys, this will be fetching you the 34.6 and 50.4 respectively. Revision series is going to start this weekend. Okay, Saturday maybe I'm going to come up with one session on revision. Don't worry. Okay, guys, 56K will become 50.4 and 38.5 will become 34.6 respectively. Do not forget to do that. And, guys, definitely AJ Live is the code which you have to use for subscribing to Unacademy Plus. So please proceed. After that, you can use the EMI options available as well. No, hoodie, I don't know you. Okay. Also, guys, you all know AJ Live is the code, and after that, you can obviously join me at 7 p.m. From the next week onwards, I'm going to come up with my special classes. This week, it has been suspended because of my health. Okay, I'll be coming up very soon. And, guys, differential calculus and graph sets, relations, and functions. Two courses are running currently. You guys can join in, and, guys, definitely you can definitely enjoy that amazing series. This is a detailed batch going on. Okay, you can join this detailed batch at 8:30 p.m. From Tuesdays and Thursdays, and also, guys, 8:30 p.m. from Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So my integral calculus course is starting very soon. I'll be intimidating you about that, and definitely, guys, stay tuned till here. Okay, thanks a lot, everyone. Do not forget to like and share this video with your friends. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, for circles. We're going to do some advanced level problems on circles. Hopefully you guys will enjoy that session as well. Thanks a lot. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Do not forget to use the code AJ Live for subscribing to Unacademy Plus. My courses are already running, and okay. Thanks a lot, everyone. Take care. Bye bye. See you.